As I step out of the car, the first thing that strikes me is the air, crisp, cool, and tinged with a purity that can only be found in the great outdoors. I close my eyes and inhale deeply, as if to absorb the very essence of the mountains that rise majestically before me. They stand like ancient guardians, their jagged peaks piercing the sky, their slopes draped in a cloak of greens, grays, and whites. The stillness envelops me, and a sense of serenity permeates my very being. I start my ascent, my boots crunching over gravel and leaves. Each step I take is a move towards solitude, a distancing from the frantic pace of daily life. I feel the earth beneath me, solid and unyielding, a comforting contrast to the uncertainty that often fills my world. As I climb higher, the panorama expands. The forests give way to meadows, sprinkled with wildflowers, whose colors burst forth like fireworks, vivid blues, fiery oranges, and soft purples. They sway gently in the breeze, a natural ballet of grace and beauty. But it's when I reach the summit that the mountains reveal their most intimate gift. The sky above is a canvas of inky blues and delicate pinks, the setting sun painting the heavens in a hue that no artist could capture. I stand there with wind caressing my face, and I realize how minuscule my worries are in the face of such grandeur. It's a humbling moment, one that fills me with a deep, inexplicable emotion. Awe mixed with gratitude, tinged with a melancholy that such beauty should be so transient. I descend as the stars begin their nightly vigil, each one a silent testament to the permanence of the mountains, those colossal sculptures carved by time and the elements. With each step downward, I carry a piece of their beauty within me. It's more than just a memory. It's a feeling, a stillness, an emotional anchor in a world of chaos. I know I'll return, for the mountains are not just a place, but a state of mind, a sanctuary for the soul. And each visit is a pilgrimage, a journey not just of miles, but of emotions too profound for words.